Welcome to this quick Google Sheets tutorial. And today we're diving into something really fun, hyperlinks. Let's start with the Wiki profile column. Right now, we just pasted the raw URLs from the One Piece fandom wiki. Here's a quick trick. Just hover over the cell and choose Replace URL with its title. Google Sheets automatically replaces the ugly URL with the page title. Now let's try a more controlled way, using the hyperlink formula. This turns the same URL into a clickable word, just wiki. Much cleaner for reports or dashboards. You can even customize it more with an icon. Now, let's say we have a Google Drive folder for each character's images. In the Drive folder column, we'll explore two ways to handle hyperlinks. Method 1, using the hyperlink formula. Apply the formula with the actual folder URL, like this. You can even customize it more to show the character's name along with the word folder. Method 2, converting to a smart chip. Simply paste the folder URL directly into a cell. Then hover over the link, and you'll see the option to replace URL. Click on Chip, and just like that, the link transforms into a sleek folder chip with the folder's name. It's clean, professional, and easy to use. Now that we have a contact column filled with email addresses, let's make them clickable so they open directly in your default email app, like Outlook or Gmail. To do that, we'll use the hyperlink formula with the mail to prefix. This turns the plain email into a clickable link labeled something like Email Luffy, based on the character's name. Here's where it gets advanced and cool. Let's imagine each character has their own sheet in this document. You can link directly to them using the GID, aka Google Sheet tab ID. First, find the ID by clicking on the sheet, then checking the URL bar. You'll see something like number GID equals something. Then copy the GID into the hyperlink formula. This lets you jump from the summary table straight to the detailed sheet of each character. And finally, let's explore how to combine two hyperlinks in a single cell. Unfortunately, Google Sheets doesn't allow you to render multiple clickable links using the hyperlink formula alone. Start by adding a new column. We'll call it Combined. In each cell, manually type the two labels you want to link, for example, Wiki and Sheet Profile. Then, highlight the word Wiki. Click Insert Link in the menu, or simply press Ctrl+K and paste the Wiki URL. Do the same for Sheet Profile, using the GID-based link to the character's sheet. This way, Google Sheets lets you embed multiple clickable links in one cell using manual formatting. It's a bit of a manual trick, but super handy for dashboards, reports, or summaries where space and clarity matter. That's it, crew! You've just leveled up your Sheets game with hyperlinks like a true straw hat. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your favorite character below. More magic coming soon. See you on the next sheet.